Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Ipsy versus Ipsy. We were going to try on makeup today, but
schedule has
adjusted. But we got our Ipsy bags in, and we are doing this today. So, hello, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and this is my husband Aaron, who comes and visits me on my channel every once in a while. More often than not.
I don't know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
And we both get Ipsy Glam bags, and we pit them against each other every month. And we thought it'd be a fun thing to do. And on my channel, I do a lot of unboxings and general makeup things. And as my channel name would imply, I do talk about agoraphobic topics because I myself am agoraphobic. If you are interested in any of those topics, or say you are interested in all those topics, then...
Or half of those topics.
Well,
or
whatever.
2/3 of those topics.
Whatever the case may be.
Any kind of ratio.
I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified anytime that I upload a video. So if you're interested in what we are doing today, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so in this game, we just take our products that we got from our Ipsy bag and see who got the better products. And this is for the month of November 2021. And this is the bag we got. Not my favorite bag. What do you think of this bag?
The colors of fall. I mean spring.
The colors of Christmas, really.
Oh yeah, sure. I guess that worked better if the inside was more red.
Yeah, it's a green velvet bag with a red inside and red here along the zipper line and a gold zipper with just a regular. It'd be neat if they had a different little zipper toggle thing. And yeah, it's just kind of plain.
I like it okay. I like it better than some of them.
Yeah. And so the theme this month is royal treatment.
Mm-hmm.
And it has a little card.
Your throne awaits. Lather on ultra moisturizing formulas, adorn with accessories, and indulge in extra dessert because this month it's all about you.
Okay, so first we start off with our pick of the month. So what did you pick out this month?
I don't remember. I think this maybe.
So I picked out the Kinship Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask. By Kinship.
And I picked out the Tanias Bengal Green Liquid Eyeliner. The little pointy felt tip. I like those ones.
Yeah. So usually when we play, makeup beats skincare. So Aaron gets the point.
Skincare beats. What does skincare beat? Skincare beats brushes and implements, and brushes and implements beat makeup. Is that it?
I don't know. I consider a brush a makeup tool.
Yeah. The rules aren't hard and fast. You know, it's just it's evolving. It's in progress.
Okay.
Pinkies up.
Pinkies up. We have a feeling you'll fancy these new Glam Bag products.
When in doubt, pinky out.
So, I don't know. I'll enjoy this anyway. Okay. You're trying to put up a product.
Okay. I think this was my add-on, I think.
Oh, you will do that at the end.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll do that at the end. Kenzie, darling, daydream, eau de parfum.
Well, I don't know how we do perfumes.
Darling, it's a daydream. It's Kenzie.
I want to smell it.
Does it smell like a darling daydream?
Oh, I like that. Oops. You don't wear
It's
perfume.
not really flowery.
What does it say on the card? The perfect combo of sweet and sassy. This vegan and cruelty-free perfume combines bright and fruity pink grapefruit, orange, and berry notes with warm
Okay.
and sultry musk, amber, and vanilla bean.
That's why I like it, because it's got fruit scents in it. I like that, like citrusy stuff.
Okay.
I think I like citrusy stuff better than flowery stuff.
I've got Origins, which is a good brand. Checks and balances frothy face wash.
Ooh, frothy.
I know y'all can't see that. I tried putting the light on a different setting.
I don't think ring light really helps with that because it's hitting it from all angles. So almost any way you tilt it, it's going to glare somehow.
Okay. Just trust me, it's an Origins product. Whether your complexion is dry,
This is where
oily,
you put up like a little inset picture, like right there.
or somewhere in between, this gentle cleanser will be a welcome addition to your routine. It uses kelp extract, wheat proteins, and tourmaline to help purify and balance your skin, plus mint essential oil to energize and refresh.
Ooh.
So,
Isn't tourmaline like a semi-precious stone or something?
yeah, I thought so.
Grind it up real good.
So, I think you win this one again.
You put a little thing that's like,
Ding! This perfume is pretty potent, though. A little bit goes a long way. Okay, I got a Belle and Argent, the Secret Power Concealer Brush, which I need a concealer brush because I ordered a new concealer.
secret, power. Secret power.
MSRP $16, which I think is ridiculous.
Let me see if I can feel the power. Oh, I feel it.
Okay, what do you got?
I'll put that up against the Why?
Way.
Way. No way. Detox shampoo, all hair types. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil, and impurities.
Okay, hair care is last.
Okay. KO.
So I get that point.
All right.
Although that is a very good. I've got the big one of this. It's very good. Shampoo.
All those toxins don't stand a chance. Kick their ass.
Okay. I've got Sophia and Maybell Lip Slick Tinted Oil and Jellyfish.
Ooh, jellyfish. All right. And I have a tiny Dido Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara.
Okay.
It's very tiny.
Well, this is a hard choice.
Yours is bigger. It's not the size, it's what you do with it, right? I think you win that one.
Yeah, I personally like lip stuff better.
Me too. Although this has nice shimmery. I like the packaging on this.
Well, this is nice and shimmery too.
That's true. No, you definitely get the point on that one.
I want to open this and look at it.
Okay. Ooh.
I'll smell anything.
I don't really get what the differences between lip oil and lip gloss. It's like the oil's not supposed to be as sticky or thick or whatever.
It just feels different.
Yeah.
That's nice. It feels oilier. And the last thing, what have you got?
I've got. It's the last thing?
Yeah.
I guess somehow I have one more thing. Or we did something
You
wrong.
already did that.
Oh, I already did this one. That's right. Okay.
Yeah.
Cake. Naturally Luxe Beauty. Heavy cream.
I hear that too.
We've got a larger one of this somewhere. See, I can't make it not. There we go. If I do that. Yeah, see, can you read that? Yeah, totally can. Heavy cream, shea butter, and vanilla, deeply nourishing.
We need some of those soft boxes instead of a ring light. But those are too big. We don't have room for those. I want to smell.
Come on, open it.
I don't understand smelling or the perfume.
You can peel the thing off.
That's too hard.
It's too much work. I'm sure it smells like cake.
Shea butter and vanilla, deeply nourishing. Hand cream, I guess.
Yeah.
Or body cream. Okay, I've got Unicorn Glow
Ooh,
Long Wear Primer.
the unicorn glow. See,
Flawless makeup
power
starts
of the
with this
unicorn.
primer. Although, I think this point goes to you.
Unicorn.
Because I don't need another primer. So I think you actually won this one, Aaron.
I thought you had two, and I had two. You
Yeah.
have three.
I had two,
Oh,
and you
okay.
had two. So this one makes three for you.
Okay.
I don't think he's ever won one before.
In celebration, I'll show off my add-on that I got. Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series. Oh, crap. Pro Series? Damn it.
What's wrong with
I
that?
needed to get Beginner Series. I like Essentials 1. Essentials 101. I just feel like there's a prerequisite to this that I don't have. They really
Where's that?
they really wouldn't release
that from?
one that said like non-essentials, you know. Violet Voss Unnecessaries 3. This is some basic stuff, but I like it. See,
Yeah.
like beige, clay, rose gold, wild orchid, blue violet, aqua, blue sky, copper. Yeah, that's cool.
I just
A lot
got
of them are shimmery.
a Violet Voss one in my BoxyCharm that I was going to see if you wanted.
Boxy. Is it Essentials 1?
No, it's...
It better not be Essentials 3. I'm gonna be totally lost.
So, what I got in my Ipsy box...
Timer is.
Oh no, we gotta end this. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.
We're running out of time. We're running out of space on the phone.
And we're very happy that you picked this video to watch us with. Give us a big thumbs up down in, well, where
Down below.
Down below. And leave us a comment. And
30 seconds.
and thank you again. Okay, that's enough. All right, say goodbye, Aaron.
Goodbye.
All right, we'll see you in the next
And
one.
also the vibes.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Goodbye.